sometime prior to 1955. She is super, super old. But the crazy part is, every time we see these guys hunting, Grandma is doing the hunting. She takes down seals, she takes down sea lions. The two biggest males in the population just sit there and wait for Grandma to do all the work. So females can easily be 80, 85. Yeah, males are lucky to get 40, 45.